Look, the world is obsessed with SUVs right now. Everybody wants to sit high and feel safe. But let's be real, if you actually love driving, an SUV is just a compromise on stilts. This is the M340i and it is priced at around rupees 75.4 lakhs ex-showroom. Honestly, this is the biggest bargain in the performance world. Why? Because what's under here, the B58, this 3-liter straight six is a masterpiece. We are talking 374 horses and 500 Nm of torque, now assisted by a 48-volt mild hybrid system for that instant electric punch. Most people see a 3 Series. I see the X-Drive system and the M Sport differential. This isn't just AWD, it's rear biased. It sends power to the back first, so it still feels like a classic BMW, but the front feels pull you out of a corner like you are on rails. Talking about comparison, you could look at Audi S5, which looks beautiful but a bit softer, or Mercedes-AMG C43, which is now 4 cylinders. I'm sorry, at this price, I want 6 cylinders or I want nothing. And it's not just the old 340 with a new face. Look at this shadowline treatment. The kidney grille doesn't have vertical slats anymore. It's this aggressive honeycomb mesh. Pair that with the darkened M shadowline adaptive LEDs and the car looks meaner, sharper and very stealth-felt. There's this weird stereotype that women only want cute cars or safe big tanks. I like balance. I like this car because it's a sleeper. Now let's talk details. Inside, it's a tech century. The BMW curved display now runs OS 8.5. It's fast and clean. In comfort mode with the acoustic glazing, Gurgaon's noise just stays outside. You get a new flat-bottomed M steering wheel with the 12 o'clock racing stripe. It feels expensive. Plus, the 360-degree camera ensures you never curb those 19-inch alloys. You get ADAS Level 1, blind spot detection, and reverse assisted, which is a lifesaver in a tight parking spot. But then, the exhaust falls open. It pops, it crackles, and it does 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. That's faster than most Ferraris from the 90s. So here's the real talk. I like the numbers. I love the way this car makes me feel when I downshift. If you have the budget, stop overthinking and just get this car. And for this, head to carlelo.com. We work with leading banks to provide you the best interest rates and best loan deals to get you your benchmark car with the benchmark experience. On road, this car is going to cost you around 87 lakhs. Is it wise to buy this car? If you want one car that does the office run, the groceries, and the track day, this is the only car you will ever need.